segment, government, mid-market, channel partners, and whatnot. Okay, enterprises, all that it is been done. Okay. Second part, it is not single country, it is multiple countries. Canada, Germany, France, Mexico, and blah 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 things. Okay. Third one is there are different products are there. Number of units sold. Okay. There is a manufacturing unit is price is there, sales price is there, and so on. I'm going to get a profit. And when this is occurred. Okay. All that information is taken over here. In fact, I can say the date is, transactions are occurred between 13 and 14, 2 years. Okay. Now, if such data comes to you, how will I do the analysis? This is what the story or discussion will going to happen today. Okay, absolutely. I need to give a thought process. Suddenly this data will come. That nobody is going to tell you what should be done. Okay, what can be done. Okay, so suddenly you should come out with, I have plenty operations can be done on this. Plenty operations can be done on this. I'll be taking certain things which are known to you, certain things which are need to be explored. Okay, very first one. Okay, you need to definitely know what is called as, I want you to find where I am selling maximum units. Everybody knows how to find maximum. Okay, everybody knows how it is the maximum unit sold. Or I wanted maximum sales or maximum profit. Sometimes maximum sales need not to be maximum profit. Okay, so I wanted to find it out where I am trying to get the maximum profit or maximum sales. This is what exactly the query we are going to do. So you may be amazed. Yes, I'm going to do that. I'll take it maximum profit. Simple. Select the column maximum. You'll be saying like, yes, sir, we know this. 2,47,500. This is the maximum profit it gives. My next question is, second maximum kitna hai? This is maximum profit. Okay, this is top one. What is second maximum? I wanted top 3, top 5. I wanted top 3. How will you do this? This is first highest. What is second highest? Third highest. Isn't it? Okay. Will I keep trying out now? No, I need not to do that. Okay. I have, instead of maximum, I have something called as large. Okay. I have something called as large. Okay. Large is a function which will going to give me the first highest, second highest, third highest, 10th highest. Okay. How will you use this? Large, capital letter, small letter, chalega. I'll go with the profit, comma. It asks one parameter or variable or an integer. If I give 1, it gives me highest one, which is already done. I'll show you with the max. Max of this is equivalent to, look at it. Max of 1 is equivalent to large with the 1 parameter. Okay, large one is 1 parameter. But I cannot have max 2. It is not there. Okay, I'll go with large, take I, comma 2. It gives me second highest. Okay, I'll just change it to whatever the format so that you are going to have this. Second highest, 2,46,000. Second highest profit. Okay, can I continue? Yes. Instead of doing this, I'll just do the trick now. Okay, just do the trick now. I'll write the second highest only. Instead of 2, I'll just use this variable here, 3. This is third highest. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll write 4, 5, 6, 8. I'll simply drag it now. Look at it. Top 8 maximum profit are being given to you. Top 8. I can continue. Okay, this is what the difference of max and large. Okay, I'll just show you this. You can make a note of it. You can make a note of it and you can use this wherever it is required. If it is known, I congratulate. If it is not known, please take it out. Okay, second one. When you have a large, definitely you will be feeling small. I'll go with the small is with the price, manufacturing price. Okay, so exactly opposite to large. Yeah, Prasharath, please go ahead. Yeah, Sharath.
Sir, like if you want to do the smallest, I mean, least profits, how
Yes,
can we do that, sir?
that's what I'm doing it. In fact, you have taken my words. Okay, I'm doing the same thing. Okay, here I used large, right? Here I used large. Instead of large, I'll use, just look at it. What I'll be using? Small. Same thing. Small. This is the least profit. Second least profit. Third least profit. Look at it. No doubt it is having negation. Maybe the data is of that kind. Okay, it is talking about it. Okay, second least, third least. Okay, so everywhere it is one. Sorry, I'm done a mistake. I should give this input too. Look at it. Eighth least is 24,000. Sorry, 2 lakh 2,000. How much it is? 24,160. Okay, so I can find it out with the help of small. Okay, I'll just write it exactly beside this. What is the difference between how the large and small will work? Okay, I'll highlight this also so that you can have a discussion. You can have a understanding of it. You see that? Small takes the second parameter, large also takes the second parameter. Okay, for your understanding, I'll write it as 2. Okay, I is profit. I is profit in our example. Okay, highest profit, lowest profit. Highest price, lowest price. I can find, you can say it straight away. I'll say it is 23rd lowest and 23rd highest profit. See, I'll straight away take it. Okay, you can say 50th straight away. You can have that. 50th lowest profit is 285 rupees 60 paisa, whereas 50th profit, highest profit is 79,663. Okay, you can have, whenever you want, you can use this. You can use this particular formula and you can definitely work on this. Shall I continue? Very simple example. Very simple example. Okay. The next one, I'll go for large, small, minimum, maximum. Everybody knows it. Okay. So I'll go for next one is, yeah, very interesting thing. Okay. As I said, I need to treat the data as table. Okay. So how to do that? Yesterday I told, I'll repeat it once again. What is that I have to do? Please, somebody. Control plus
T.
Yeah, control plus T. I'll do that here. Okay. Yeah, it is already done. Table. How will you say that it is table is done? Because you can see other than you click on this, table design is there. Click on this. I have a name is also given as a sales. You can give any name for it. Okay, I can write it as Bhargav. Text. But single word. Single word. Okay, and write it as say AAA01. Yes, I can do that. Okay, yeah, it cannot be a numeric. Okay, AAA. Sorry. Yeah, name has to be alphabetic. Okay, name has to be alphabetic. Okay, so I can write it as this is the name of the table is AAA, or you can write better naming. I'll give it as sales. What is advantage? Very first advantage, I wanted to analyze this. We were doing that analyzing. We have found large, we have found smallish. Now I'll go for something called as insert. Please look at it. There is something called as a slicer. I'm getting into the next level. Just look at it. As in when I click on this, what happens? Now, before this, if my date cursor is somewhere outside, if you click on slicer, it will come with an error. Okay, there is no data is available. Your cursor has to be in the table or pivot table when you are going to learn that. Okay, click on the slicer. I get all that fields which are there. Look at it. Segment, country, product, unit sold, everything is there. Okay, what I'll do is I'll choose current, country, and product, or probably segment also. I'll do that. Okay, I'll click on this. Now look at it. Pop-ups are coming. I'll just arrange them over here. Okay, I have a product. I have a country over here, side by side. Okay, and I have segment. Three things are there. You can do beautiful coloring also for this. One is yellow color, one is green color, and one is blue color. Country is green color, segment is blue color. What do you mean by this? Very interesting. I wanted every details. Now look at it. It has given me everything. Which countries are? I love Mexico. Click on that. Look at the data when I click on Mexico. Okay, check it out. Only Mexico, nothing else. Look at it. Only Mexico data, nothing else. I have filtered it out. Okay, I'll go for monotona. Click on this. Look at it. Only this much. Only that. Mexico may, how much is the monotona sold to which segment? Government segment. Only these many. Is it beautiful? Straight away, I'm getting with the analysis part of it. Straight away. Okay, so look at it. I don't want segment, government. I'll go for mid-market, less. Small business, very less. Channel partners, more. Enterprise, 2. Government is more. What about Germany? Different. Is it same with the United Kingdom? Almost. Is it change of, say, Velo? Bit more. I'm playing with the data now. I'm playing with the data. You may ask me how I would have done. I'll repeat it once again. Just listen to it. It's very simple. Okay, I'll clear all that. I'll delete this. I'm not done anything great. Okay. First thing, first, create it as a table. Okay. Create it as a table. Treat it as a table. Okay. How will you do that? Control T. Once table is created, okay, once it is treated as a table, then straight away go to something called as insert slicer. It gives all the names of the fields. Whichever you want, you can take it. Whichever you want, you can take it. I'll choose, say this time, segment and product, only 2. Okay, yeah, you can take manufacturing price. I'll take different things. Keep it here only for our understanding. Third one is below here. Now to check enterprise and monotona. Now look at it. There is nothing called apart from the 5 rupees manufacturing price. 3 rupees price. Amarilla 260 rupees. Velo 120 rupees only. VTT 250 rupees. There is no multiplication. Can I choose the 2? Yes, you can. I can go for it. How will you do that? Hold the control button and keep clicking. Okay, I want enterprise and government, but only VTT, only VTT. Yeah, quickly, maybe some queries will be there. Please ask me. You can type it out, you can ask me in the message, you can directly switch on your mic and you can ask me. Do you find this is going to be beautiful utility for data analysis?
Sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, while we pressing Control T, sir,
Hmm.
we need we need to keep that cursor, sir, like in this
It has
table
to be
or
inside the
segment.
data. It has to be somewhere in the data. For example,
Okay.
if I'm clipping over here, when I clicked over here, I'll just show you that what will happen. I clicked over here. I wanted to tell that where I clicked. Okay, I clicked it over here. Okay, any part of the data, just press Ctrl T. It automatically take rectangular shape of the data wherever it is spread, left to right, top to bottom. It automatically takes it. Okay, but it is your lookout. You should not have a gaps in between. You should not have two rows gap, one row gap. You cannot have that. Okay, that
Okay.
quantity of the data you should make it. You have to be very sure about. There is no gap. Say for example, after this record, you should not have a gap. Then what it does is, if your cursor is over here, it takes only these many records. Only these many records. It tells like this is your table. Okay, that's the only precaution. That's the only precaution. Good question.
Okay. Sir.
Any other query? Okay, now look at it. I'm deleting it. As in I'm clearing this, it takes all the data. It takes all the data. Whole lot of data. As in I select, okay, I don't want this. Maybe you'll ask, can I add different filter? Yes, you can. Again, insert, slicer. I want something else. I'll take country. Go for it. Choose the country and choose it. I can delete it. Definitely, I can set it around. I'll take a France. I'll take a monotone. I'll take government. It gives me everything. Okay. Now the question will be, yesterday I left somewhere talking about I think somebody asked me also why I should use subtotal. This is where the subtotal will come into picture. I'll show you. Okay, just remove these bit, say away from this. I wanted subtotal. Okay, say for example, these are here. Let them be here. I wanted average of profit. Okay, very particular about profit. Average of profit. I'll write here instead of average AVG. No, I'll not use that. I'll use subtotal of profit. Okay. How should I give? Average is 1, right? Remember that. 1, comma. Range is this. Okay. I'll take it. It gives me some number here. Okay. I'll remove the decimal part. This is average of this. Okay. How much it is? Overall average of this particular data is 24,290. Okay. Now I'll look at it. Is it same with the yellow? No. Is it same in France? No. France is more. Canada is less. Germany is more. Mexico is very less. United Kingdom, moderate. Okay. Germany with respect to all the segments. What about Germany with only enterprise and channel? Look at it. Only 2. I'll change my product and I'll check it out. Look at the analysis, how beautiful it is. Hello. VTT, it's changing average. So have your formulas one side and keep understanding this. Keep understanding this. Okay, so there is a beautiful data is there. So you wanted to get back, please clear this. Please clear this. Please clear this. You get back. total average profit. Total average profit. Okay, but I have done it with a subtotal. Okay, somebody may again ask me, one for what? One for average. How will you, should I remember, sir? No, you need not remember, sir. Okay, what you have to do is simply open the bracket, it will going to give the list out. Choose that. 1 for average, 2 for count, 3 for count A, 3, 4 for max, min, product, standard deviation, and so on and so on. I wanted summation of it. Yes, please. Okay, how many units sold? I'll do that this time with the summation. Summation is 9, comma, summation of how many units sold. Full. Okay, 7,87,567. All, but I don't like to have all. Okay. Yeah, I'll check it out, Sharad. Thank you. Okay. So I wanted to say like average. What is that I have done? Summation of units sold. Okay. Now I'll check it out with the only Canada. I'll check it out with the only government. Look at it, it's changing. Okay, so please feel accordingly the requirement of your data, according to your requirement of the analysis. I should be flexible to try these all things. Should try to have all these things. So don't use this count if and all unless it is required. Whenever I have to go for slicers, I should use subtotal, not the count if and average if. I should use subtotal and use the count if and all. Okay, otherwise that's why I have written over here. You can see that. Okay, I'll going to use all that. Sorry, I have filtered it out, so it is not showing anything. Okay, look at it. I compulsorily write it over here. Count if, max, min, all that. I don't want to have that. I don't want to have that. So I have not written anything over there. I'm not going to use those things. What I'll do is I'll be using all with the subtotal. So start using subtotals. So whenever I want to put up filters, it will going to help me. It's going to help me out. So look at it. I have written. So I have done with the large. Just mark it. Max, min, I'll not ask you. I'll not tell you anything. Small I have done. Okay. So I have forgot to write here. I'll just write it. Subtotal is the one you need to concentrate. Okay. Those are not using it, please start using it. Those are using, I congratulate. Please continue. Okay. Now I have to quickly finish it off. 2-3 things, which is month and year. Okay. Month and year. Whenever I get a date format, normally your higher ups or your organization demands like I wanted month. Okay. So I'm going to use simple dates. Date functions over here. Month. You're going to give me the serial number. Look at it. Okay. So it is giving ₹1. I should not be ₹1. I'll change it. How to change it also I'll tell you right now. So this is name of this is month number, right? So month number. Okay. So look at it. This is 12. 12 is December. Okay. 3 is March. Probably your date is like this. I'll change the date format also. How will you do the date format? Highlight that whole lot. Control 1. Any format changing, Control 1. Okay. Control 1. Go to custom. Here it is DDMMYY. Just write one more M. 1M is single number. Okay. Double M is double digit. Third M is name of the month in 3 characters. Okay. Same thing with the YY. 2Ys, 3Ys or 4Ys is going to give the full year. Okay. Now look at it. If you are interested in this, DD is single date. Okay. One more D, it will going to give a week name also. Name of the day also. Look at it. I'm able to find out. Month, year, everything. Okay. If you are very particular about which date it is happening, yes, I can find it out. How will you do that? Highlight it and Control 1. Control 1, change the formats, what you want it. Okay, go to the custom and set it right. Set it right. Look at it. I'm setting it. This is a standard rate way of writing a date actually. You should not have a confusion because if it is 06/07/2014, is it 6th July or 7th June? There will be always confusion because are you telling to the globe? Because maybe you are American, you will assume that other way around. If you are an Indian, you will going to assume like this. Okay, so better write date in the name of the month in the 3 characters. Better, always write it. Okay, so in this case, I wanted to find out name of the month. Now this also I'll change it. I should not have rupees for the month. What I have to do? Control 1. It's not accounting. I'll simply wanted numbers with no decimal places. Click on OK. Yes, it gives me one simple thing. Name of the month. Okay, month number. Sorry. Year. Simple. Year. Take the year. Again, change it to simple number with no decimal places. Yes, I have it. Okay, it is year. You may ask me why. Yes, I need it because I'll again go for insert, slicer. I'll take this time, month, year, country, product, everything. Look at it. Now my data is more, what do you call it as? You can play with this data now. Look at it. You can play with this data. Wonderful. Okay, I want 6th month Mexico data with respect to 2013 तो नहीं है. Germany both no, France no, Canada no, only I think United Kingdom is having 6th month, nobody is there. Okay, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, I'll clear it. Okay, now look at it, how it is working. Okay, I'll take 2013. So 2013 only we have a data is only 9, 10, 11, 12. That means October, November, December, September, October, November, December, only 4 months. 2014 whole is there. You can see that. Okay, so this is how exactly it will go to Germany. 2014, 2013, yes, 10th October. What is the sales? You are definitely still have that average. Sorry, where is that? Sorry. The average profit is already there. It is giving you the answer. Look at it. Average profit. Still 15099. What is about 2014? We go for 8th. Look at it. The numbers are different. I'm talking about this data. Okay. I'll just change it to yellow color so that you can have. I'll just magnify that date. Sorry, number. Okay. Germany, hatao, France, le lo. 7171. Canada, 70. So now I have a control on year, control on month. Okay. Remove months. All months it is giving. Okay. I don't want month only. Take it out. Okay. Germany data. 2013 whole, 2014. With respect to yellow, 2014, 2013. Look at it. In Germany, compare this with Mexico, sorry. 2013, 2014. Yeah. Do you like slicer? Please, somebody comment. Is it interesting working with the slicer? Yes, Sharad, it's really interesting. You should always explore this. I'm going to share this data before dinner today. I'll share this data. Video, if possible, I'll definitely share it with you. It's very simple, in fact. Any queries before I shift to something else? please ask me any queries. Yeah, please, madam, go ahead.
So before using this slicer option, sir, we have to calculate the average profit or average sales, whatever the table is having. First, we have to calculate average profit. Afterwards, we have to use that slicer option, sir.
Either way you
How
can
it
do,
is?
madam. Either way you can do. You calculate it first, then you
Okay.
start with the slicer, or you take the slicer, then you add the average profit. Still, it works similar. It doesn't make any difference. But
Okay.
average
And-
has to be calculated with the subtotal. That is a caution.
Okay. So,
Average, yeah. Please go ahead.
so like if we not calculate average, if we don't want average profit or average sales,
Mhm.
but we want the slicer option, like you have used notes, sir,
Yes.
date, month, we can use that option, right, sir?
Yes, definitely. It is not compulsory that I have to have the averages or counting, summation, not to be. But definitely you can continue with what do you call it as a filtering. You can definitely go with the filters. Okay,
Okay, sir,
definitely
thank
go
you.
with the filters. Okay. Yep. Then with
Okay, sir.
the filters and or slicers in the mind, there is only 1 minute left. I want to give a caution. Okay, once it is disconnected, maybe we can take a small break of 2-3 minutes and come back. Okay, so slicer is wonderful. Today's evening is full of slicers. Okay, when first time I heard about slicer from one of my mentor, I was, what is this slicer? Apple slice, I know. What is this slicer? I was commenting. Then I understood the power of it. Okay, so probably when I said slicer, it came in your mind. Now I think it is very clear. Okay, so we'll break for a moment. We'll come back. Okay, and yeah, yesterday's
Excuse me,
difficulty.
sir.
Yeah, please. Go
Sir,
ahead.
in Excel, this function will be called as what, sir?
It is a slicer.
Okay.
It is a slicer, and it is only available after version of 10. Before 10, it is not there. MS of yeah. Any queries? Please ask Abhishek, Praveen, Urmila. You can ask me before others join. Yeah, Soumya ji, you were asking something. You can continue. It was disconnected.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Urmila.
Sir, you said you will be sharing the videos,
Yeah.
but like I don't have that particular app. Can we download it on the desktop and we can log in?
No, that is not possible. You have to take that app. It is free. You can simply download it. Okay, and from that app, it will going to be available. Otherwise, that will going to be very heavy for me.
Mhm.
I cannot upload it in that particular quality. So that app makes it very simple,
Okay.
and you can see it as many times as you want through the app. You need to
Okay.
just make it. Okay, it's a class plus. I again I can send you the link once again and you can do that. It's a GBS ODL karke. It is available in the Google Store. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Soumya ji, you are asking some query.
Yes, sir. The same question. I have used it with the pivot table, sir. Whatever you have done with a slicer, right, sir?
Absolutely.
That question will be asked while creating a pivot table, sir. So I asked what the function is called as.
Definitely. Okay, I'm going to go with the pivot table later. Okay, pivot table will be more interesting. Pivot with the slicer
Okay,
is,
sir.
again I'm going to revisit. There it will going to have one more thing which is right now disabled. You can see that timeline is disabled right now. I don't have timeline here.
Yes, sir.
The simple data. When it comes to pivot table, that will also enable. That will be more fun with that. I'll explain that. That's a
Okay,
nice
sir.
nice input. Yeah, definitely. Shall we continue? Okay, yeah, nice. I'm really happy with your batch of learners. The way you are asking is wonderful. The questions are really meaningful. Yeah, Sharad, go ahead. Want to ask something? Please ask.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, you said that this slicer option is not available with the 2007
10 below 10.
or
Yeah,
1990. 10 below, 10 below.
yeah.
Sir, then we have to upgrade ourselves, right? I mean, so to
Yes,
use
yes.
this, we have
Machine
to
has
upgrade
to
our
upgrade
MS
from
Office.
10,
and all.
at least 10.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, sir.
What
Sir, like
anybody wanted,
just
they can
my
approach
question
me.
maybe
Anybody wanted, they can approach me. You can
Sure.
get that. I have the older version of it, which is the book version. You can definitely ask me. I'll give it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, next question, sir. My
Yeah.
question may be, funny. Whatever I'm going to ask, sir.
Mhm.
Whatever you use this slicer, no, sir. Can we do with the filter option?
Filter, you may not be able to do multiple choice. That's a problem. And you need to have a lot of trouble with that. Filter you can do with a lot of trouble. Okay. I choose a yellow color
Okay.
shading. Then I may not be able to choose Germany. There is a big jugglery I need to do. Okay. So that's why we go for why the filter is also given along with this. That's what is the reason. Okay. Otherwise they would have not developed that
Fine,
slicer
yes.
along with the filter. It takes from the it gives the input to the filter technically. Probably the programmers or somebody is there out there who understand the language of the computer. They will definitely understand that it gives the input to the filter only. Okay, and it executes it. But yes, it is far made it easier. Pop-up is coming, change it, work with that, enjoy the data. It's basically for the enjoying the data as analysis. Okay, something like that. Okay. Now, very interesting. Every day,
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. Every day, every version, I'm going to get this data not in the Excel format. We normally get it from the somebody in the CSV format. Okay. So quickly, I'll go to the browser out there and I'll show you what is the size of this file. Okay. I'll sorry, came to the wrong area. Yeah, maybe here. I kept it over here. Okay. So look at this. I have taken a CSV file. This is what the CSV file is all about. How much is size of this? 58 KB. That's it. Okay. Once I process it, it is raised to how much? Just look at it. 554 KB. 11 times. Okay. 11 times it is increased. Okay. But when I'm going to send it, it will come in only 58 KB so that I can send the raw data to anybody in a very easier way, faster way to the destination. Okay, say for example, I want to send my file to say Urmila or say Sharad or say Abhishek. Okay, it will quickly go. You may ask me what is necessary, sir. It will take, instead of 5 seconds, it will take 10 seconds. It's not a question of 10 seconds. Possibility of hacking your file is more possible when it is a more time is given. Instead of 15 seconds, if I take 28 seconds, there is a possibility of hacking. And I'm not talking about the simple data like school going students. No, you are talking about the corporate data. Very sensitive, very classified information will be there. If I hack this data, I'll tell you what is this data is all about. Okay, look at it. If I understand what is the capacity the Germany people are taking products from India, and if it is leaked to China, gone, sir, you are lost. You are lost. Okay, you are lost whole lot of it. This happens in the very big way in the international politics or state level also. It happens between Karnataka versus Maharashtra. Why to go with between China and India? It happens with the Karnataka and Maharashtra. Goa versus Andhra. It happens. So hacking possibility, can I avoid? Yes, the answer is CSV. Now I'll show you how to open a CSV file. Okay, so I'll have a blank sheet. Okay, how to get a blank sheet? Control N. I wanted to open a file. Okay, so I'll open a file. I'll go to the place where I have kept it. Okay, give star.csv. I'll assume that this is downloaded file. So it gives me, there are two files are there. One is absolutely text file. Okay, that is CSV2. I have kept it. I'll open that. While opening, look at it. This is how it comes. Any meaning? Look at it. How will you convert this? How will you convert this? Okay, I repeat it once again. I'll do anything. Jump. Open the file. Go to the data. Okay, star.csv. I'll take this file. Look at it. There is a difference between text file and CSV file. Text file and a CSV file. The one which is given to you directly from the said people, this is what exactly it comes. Okay. Now there is a small changes will be there which I need to manage it. Okay, look at it. Question marks are there. Can you see that? Question marks are there. I need to remove. Am I going to do one by one? No, sir, it is not. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll highlight this whole lot. Find and replace. What is that I have to find? Wherever there is such symbols are there, copy this, find, don't give anything for replace, it will replace everything. So 492 things are replaced. Such small things will be there which I need to remove it off. Now your data is ready. Okay. Now I can go for whatever the analysis. Same data I have converted into CSV for our understanding. Once it is done, yes, I'll place Control T. Somebody asked me where I have to keep it. Look at it. Okay, I keep it over here somewhere, anywhere, gross sale or wherever it is. Control T. It will ask, is it having header? Yes, it is. Click on OK. Now my file is ready. My file is ready for process. You want to change the color? Please do that. Whichever I like this color, go for it. Okay. So I wanted to increase the font. I wanted to have a Times New Roman, whatever it is you want, please do that and go for processing part of it. Okay. And once it is done, yes, again, same thing. I'll go for insert. I'll go for slicer. I'll do that. Now I'll take it from here. Yes, you don't have a price. Sales price is not having any meaning. Go for Control 1. I told you this. Go for currency. Tell that we are Indians. I want rupee symbol. You have it. Repeat this for all the columns. It will going to have. Okay. Change it whatever the formats you want it, and you can do that. I hope I'm a bit fast, but yes, this is very minimal. Okay. So open the CSV file.
Sir.
Now, yeah, please. Go ahead.
Sir, can you please show that again, highlighting the headers?
Highlighting. Sorry.
Headings, heading part, sir. The sale.
This part.
Gross sales.
This is okay. This is very simple. Go to table design. Choose whichever the colors you want. The different colors.
Not that, sir.
Then.
Sir, while you shown that, sir.
Creating the tables
Control
you're
T,
talking
sir.
about. Okay. I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll do that. Yeah. This much. From here, we create a table. Control T. I know I have a header. I'll click on this. From here, am I right, Abhishek?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once you come here, then whichever the color you want, you can choose that. Whichever the color you want, you can choose that. It is available in the format as a table also. Okay, format as table also. Whichever you want, you can have that. Okay, once you're done, yes, I wanted to have, this is what I was talking about, control 1, currency, no decimal places, go for it. Magnify and start working. Okay, start. As in, you create a table, it will going to have a filter over here, remove that. Okay, how will you do that? Go to data. If you put a filter, it comes, it's a toggle, comes and goes, something like that. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm clear. I'll just take it further. Yeah, here, okay, somewhere. Yes, this is another
Sir,
important.
excuse
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Sir, yeah, when we use control T, no, sir,
Hmm.
that time can we use it for the merged cells?
You can merge cells. It will going to ask you, would you like to remove the merger? You can do that. But if it is 2 columns are merged, then it will going to be difficult. Say for example,
Oh.
if you are done like this, it will not going to take, because it will going to treat it as a database. Okay, one column, one thing has to be there. But if it is something like this, 2 columns together, you wanted to merge and use it in the table, you can use it. But here it is A and here it is B. Sorry. Here it is A and here it is B, and you wanted to give it as this as a merge. I'll just do that. And you want to call it as year 2020. Now you cannot have a table for this. Now you cannot have a table for this. Think that this is data for the Belgium and this is data for the Hubli. No, you cannot do this. Okay, you cannot have this. Okay, but yeah, definitely I can have 2 columns put together, only one data is there. Yes, I can do that. Normally that is not allowed with respect to table formation. So whenever merge is there, it will go to ask many queries. You can try it out. It will go to ask simple questions. You want to remove, you can remove the merge, or you can continue with that. Is that fine? Shall I continue?
Sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now look
Yes,
at
sir.
this. This I'm again questioning you. Just look at it. You know how to get this pop-up, but interesting part is, if I click on 2018, my graph is changing. Am I right? Look at it. 2021, my graph is changing, and absolutely look at this. I'll just magnify and show you something. 2021 is here. 14,000. Sorry, 14,99,552. Okay, is value over here. I'll just remove this decimal parts. There will not be confusion. Okay, is there over here, right? Same data are coming over here. Okay, likewise, if I change it to 2019, these values are coming. These values. Am I right? So how? Kaise? Maine kaise kiya? How I'm doing this? Answer is there in front of you. I'm doing with a something called as a index and match. Index and match. 2 wonderful tools. Okay. Many times you will get this kind of a question. Okay. I wanted to fix this with the help of tool called as a index and match. 2 wonderful formulas. Let me explain first match. Then I'll tell you index and how will you combinedly use that. Okay. So I'll show you index first. Index is the one which is either horizontally or vertically. You wanted to find out something where that is available. Sorry, match I'm talking about, where that is available. Say for example, this is a name, I mean, years are there, 2013 to 2021. Somebody can answer me, where is 2014 in position? Is it first position, second position? In years, these many years are there. 2014, which position it is?
Second.
Second position. 15 is third position. 17 is fifth position. Am I right? I wanted to find out that fifth position or fourth position. What is that? That will going to give me with the help of match. Just look at it. Okay. Now what I'll do is I wanted to find the position of 2016. This is my reference. Okay. So what I'll do is equals to match. What is that I have to match? This. I have to match this with vertical data. This much of vertical data. Okay. Then give exact match. Check it out. What happened? Did I given anything wrong? 1 second, I'll do that. Match. Oh, sorry. This is, I have to copy this. Something mismatch is there. This is not exactly 2016. Some words are there. Yeah. Is equals to match within this comma 0. Are you getting my point? I'll do it once again. Okay, I'll just take it this side so that it is visible for you people. Is equals to match. What I wanted to match? This year, whichever is given, comma, in what? These many years. And exact match. Is it done? Fourth, is it fourth position? Let's check it out. 2016 is fourth position, right? If I copy 2018, sixth position. What is that I have done? Match the year in the given strip of vertical data and give me exact matching. It will go to give me the position which is matching. Okay. Similarly, I want the position of these departments. Okay. So I'll copy this HR. Okay. I'll copy this HR here. I want the position of HR in the departments. What I'll do is match this department, comma, in this set of array, and I wanted exact match. You can give it as 0. Look at it. HR is in the third position. Marketing. Sorry. First position. Okay, what I'm trying to tell is I wanted row will be given or column will be given by the match. Either row will be given or column will be given by the match. Okay, index is going to give me the value from there. Okay, index will do what? I wanted to take the second row, third column, first row, second column, whatever you wanted to say. Here is the case. Okay, I wanted marketing of 2019. This value I want it. These numbers are there. I want them. Okay, how will you get that? I wanted marketing of 2019. 2019 यहाँ पे marketing 18,019 whatever it 1893422. I wanted that over here. What I'll do is I'll take index and I'll capture that. Okay. So now how will you do that? I'll just take it off this particular graph. I'll take it later. I'll show you. Graph can be done whenever you want. Just minimize it. Oh God. Yeah. Is it fine? Really go on bolder. Okay. Yeah, ठीक है. Okay. Now I'm back. Okay. Now look at it. I want 2019 wala marketing data. How will you do that? With the help of index. Just look at it. By default, you know that 19 is where? 7th position. Okay. So what I'll do is equals to index. Marketing is in this area. In this area. Okay. I want first is marketing and 7th one is 2019. If I give this, it will going to give me the same value what is there in the over here. What I given, just look at it. Repeat, I'll repeat it once again. I have taken 1 and 7. Why 1? Because I wanted marketing. 7 because 2019. But I don't want to write them 1 and 7. I wanted to get it from the match, whichever is matching with the 2019 and whichever is matching with the departments over here. Okay, so that I'll achieve it with the help of the better formula. Better formula. How will you do that? How will you do that? Okay, so I'll just keep this index over here. While over here, I'll just start it over here. Okay, is equals to index. What you want? Something from this data. Something from this data. There is an array of data is there, comma. I wanted row number. Row is available from the department. Okay. So row is available. I'll take it from match. Match. I'm looking for marketing data from these many data and exact match. 0. Bracket complete. I wanted column number. Okay. Again, I want match. I wanted in this, sorry. Year is where? Year is over here. I'll take this year. Comma. It is available from these many number of years. Comma, again 0. Bracket complete, bracket complete. Get this data. Get this data. Exactly, I'm going to get this. How do we want it in the data? Look at it. Should not be 2019. Getting my point. I think a lot of queries are there in your mind. Please ask. Please ask. It is bit difficult immediately to grasp it. I know that. But you should ask me the question, otherwise I'll not be able to answer your questions. Yeah, there is a query. Yes. It is bound to happen. I'll do that once again. I'll do that once again. Okay. So what I want is, okay, it's very pretty peculiar example. I wanted year-wise graph. It is called as a dynamic graphs. Okay, anybody can draw the graphs. Okay, anybody can draw the graph. But I wanted dynamic. Say for example, this much you know pop-up. Okay, how to create a pop-up, you know it. Okay, so 2014 data is coming. How will you achieve this? So as I create, I wanted marketing 2014 data should come over here. 2014 marketing data has to come over here. I'll change it. 2017. 2017 marketing data is over here. It is 16,27075. It has to come over here. How I can do this? This is achieved with the help of index. Okay, I'll repeat it. This is achieved with the help of index. Is equals to index. Index will do what? From a given array, whatever row and column you tell, 1, 1. That means 2013 marketing. It gives me. It gives me. Okay. Is it? This is what the value. I got it. Same value I got it. because I have given it as 1, 1, but I don't want to make it as 1, 1. I wanted it should matching with the department and the year. That should be given to me. So how will you do that? I wanted row first. Row is marketing. I'll take that. Match. Marketing. Where is marketing? In this array. Marketing is there. I wanted exact match. I got marketing. Where is its position? So I'm going to get a row. Marketing is first row, comma. Second one, column. Column 2017, where I'll get it. So 2017, where it is. Ask these people, this array. And say, I want exact match. Complete this. Press enter. Okay, I'll highlight and I'll write it here down so that you can make a note of it. Yeah, Sharad, please ask.
Sir, could you explain the formula, sir? So whatever
Yes.
you would write in the bracket, no, sir. Please explain that, sir.
Yes, definitely. Okay. So formula is very simple. Index will return. Okay, from the given area. Okay, from here to here, I want something. Say I'll just highlight it. Okay. I wanted in this particular array of data, I wanted whichever row is given, whichever column is given, it will go to give. Okay. Say for example, I wanted to find this data. I'll change the color. Where is this data? Second row, fourth column. Am I right? How will I get that? Is equals to index in this data, second row, fourth column. Fine. Press enter. Am I getting the data? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, instead of this 2 and 4 making constant, I'll keep doing it dynamic. 2016 is given, so it is coming. I want it for 2017. So instead of 2 and 4 getting over here, okay, I'll just keep it over here. Instead of getting 2 and 4, I'll use match for it. I'll use match for it. Okay. So 2 ke liye, 2 is what? Row. I'll use match. Match. I wanted finance, right? Okay. So what I'll do is finance, comma, in these set of rows where it is, I'm asking exact match. Give me that. Is it giving 2? Look at this. So what I've done? Finance where it is, please tell me. From the all the set of columns there. Okay. Similarly, what I'll do is I wanted for 2016. How will you get that? Where is the position of column? I wanted to find out this. Okay. So I'll not take that. Okay. I'll take this example. Okay. From these many years. Exact match. Get me that. 5. 2 and 5. Whatever the answer, I'm going to get it. Just change it and I'll show you. 2 and 5. How much it should come? Whatever it is. 2 and 5 is over here. One 7, 2 5, 1 2 6. Same value, I'm getting it. Okay. So instead of writing constant like 2 and 5, I have written the 2 different match variables, match functions, so that I can use them and I can use it with along with the index so that I get all these data. Once I achieve this, okay, it is very simple. Have this graph drawn for this particular data. I'll just do that. Insert. This is not a big issue. Just do that. Look at it. I'll change this here. It automatically works for me. Automatically works. So background is index and match. Index and match. Am I clear? Definitely it will going to be clear once you practice this. I'm going to share this particular data. Once you practice this, definitely it's going to be very interesting. You will have such kind of a situations. Okay, I wanted year wise, batch wise, product wise, month wise, repeatedly different, what do you call it as a graphs need to be drawn, analysis need to be done. You wanted to do that, then you should have such kind of a indexing and matching combination need to be done. Then only it will going to happen. Okay, I'm going to discuss more things on offset and combo. That's another interesting thing. Okay, similar kind of a data. Similar kind of a data. I'm going to show how offset and combo box will work. Choose a combo box, it will going to give me the data. You have seen, no? Wonderful Excel sheets will going to be there. Choose of it. Select male and female, whichever it is. Select the year. It will going to give me the wonderful data. How it happens dynamically. There is no great science is there. It's very simple. It's not a great science. Okay. So I think it's getting into very interesting part of the discussion. That's what I said. Every day it is important. But if you give your say 30-35 minutes of working in your you please have one hour extra. Please work on my data, whatever you have discussed, then only it will go to me. Yeah, quickly 1 or 2 queries and we'll close the session. Anyone? First part was simple. Yeah, please, Soumya ji, please.
So you have written in the formula that index bracket the whole area of the year, sir.
Yeah.
After that, you have written 1, 1. That is like first column and B.
Yeah, 2013 marketing area. Yeah, this is what it is.
Okay. Okay. After that, you have written a match. We have to match it with the departments like marketing and okay. So my question is, every time when we write a formula, sir, at that time we have to change that finance, HR, sales, or it takes automatically.
No, madam.
is,
Once you write this, just pull it. Just pull it. It automatically takes it.
Okay.
I need to work for only once. I need to work for only once. Look at it. This formula is written for that. Okay. So remaining is a table. Automatically it will take. I need not to repeat it. There is no meaning of redundancy of work or here. Okay. Just okay. Once I rate it, it is fixed. Once I rate it is fixed. That's it. Okay. Say for example, I wanted to change this sales. I'll write sales here. Still it works. I'll write marketing here. It gives me the data, but it has given corresponding data. It is given. Just look at it. 2020 sales. Okay. Just look at it. How much it is? 1720. Just look at it. I'll just highlight that for you. 1720,930. Is it sales data? Is it taken automatically?
Yes.
Yeah, perfectly. Because I not changed any formula here. It works.
Okay.
Only you need to do this once.